Welcome to my channel, Senior Sue Cacti and Succulents, and today I am making a water fountain. So here are all the items that I'm going to be using. And this is the water pump. It's made by Poposoap, and it is a solar water pump. So I will get this all put together, but here's the solar screen down here, or the solar panel, the tubing. And then we have your pump here. And then the little filters in there, this stuff. And it looks like we have extra filters here. And the mounting for the solar pump. Not sure what this is, but we'll get this all figured out and get it running. Okay, so these items, I purchased them at a thrift store. So this, this was $7.99. So this is going to be my basin. And this I also purchased at the thrift store. I can't remember how much money it was, but a hole will need to be drilled in the bottom. So this is how I'm thinking of putting it all together. Okay, like that. And then these I purchased there. I think this was $1.99. These little metal baskets, and the same with this one, $1.99. So what I'm going to do with these is with Rust-Oleum paint them black to kind of match, you know, the black container here. So this is going to go like that, and then that is going to go down. That already has a hole, and these will also have to have holes drilled in them. And I'm going to put that there and here. So that is what the finished product will look like. And then I also have some fiberglass that I'll be putting in, around the side there. Maybe some in here, I'm not sure. We'll see how that goes. But I think it will look pretty cute. Okay, so first step I'm going to do is paint those black. I'll be back. I think I had just enough paint for one coat, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'll wait for that to dry and then get the holes drilled in them. Just one hole in the middle for both containers. Okay, my husband's gonna help me. We're gonna show you the different spray nozzles on here. So I don't completely have my fountain set up, but I will show you that at the end of the video. But they have really nice different types of sprays you can have on here, and it's working great. There's the solar panel. So I'll show you in a minute. Okay, you can see that there are 4 different nozzles, and this larger one works with the hose, and it just snaps on here. Will you snap it for me, Dave? There. Oop.
This one.
Yeah. So it just snaps right on. Okay.
Okay, the small one can attach directly to the pump, and we'll demonstrate that one.
Okay, I'm going to plug this in. That one's pretty tall. We're not going to be using that one, but it's pretty cool. And there's also a sensor on it, so it will never run, the pump won't run if it's out of water, if it's dry. So once the level gets down, the pump will shut off. Okay, now he's going to attach the hose to it. But we won't show you all the different sprays that it has, but just the main ones on how it works. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. So that one's a little different. You might not have it. Okay. There you go. So that's pretty cool. Okay, and then we'll show you the one that we are going to use. We're just going to use the water coming right out of the hose. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to plug it in now. And that's the one that we are going to use, kind of like a little bubbler. I think this is really a great little device, and I will put a link in the description box. They are for sale on Amazon, so if you want it, you can check it out on Amazon. Okay, now we're going to show you what it is like without using the hose or anything. That's kind of nice too.
That's a little taller.
Gotta keep it completely submerged.
Yeah, the only problem with this is obviously the pump has to be close to the surface of the water, because if you lower it underneath it.
I like that. I like that.
So I guess you can vary the height of the spray by varying the depth of the pump.
Pretty cool. Here is the finished product. It's still all wet here from when we were filling it and moving it around, but my fountain is not leaking. Probably should have painted the terracotta black, but that's okay. I kind of like this look. And then what we ended up doing is putting another piece of terracotta pot down in here. So we might still, you know, reconfigure it. But for now, this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty happy with it. Let me show you over here. Now we've got the cord down in there, and then here's the cord that goes up to the solar panel. But this is not the permanent spot. I haven't decided. I might put it on my front porch. So if I do, you know, at a later date, I'll show you what that looks like. But like I said, I had just enough paint to do those two silver colored tin items, and I did chip them a little bit, but I can always touch them up later. But I'm really happy with that. Or I could swap it out and do all terracotta. But I think this pump is great. And it's the solar pump kit, the Poposoap. And now remember, it's completely solar, so it will only work on sunny days. So if it's cloudy or nighttime, your fountain will not be going, but I'm pretty happy with it. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.